Hello. Now we are going to learn how counting in millions are applied to everyday life. Application of counting in millions. Many times when you come across numbers as they are written or during conversation, people often do something where they call out a number but in short form. It may become difficult to understand the actual value of that number. So we would learn how it is done and then how we can convert that into word form or into digit form. Let's take this example. Isaac bought a car for 7.8 million naira. Write the value of the car in digit form and in word form. As you have seen in this question, we are told that Isaac bought a car, but instead of calling the full digits or the full value of the amount at which he bought that car, we are given a short form, 7.8 million. And the task we have now is to write out the full digits and the word form of the value of this car. Let's see how this is done. Solution. We are told he bought it for 7.8 million. That means we have 7 million plus 0.8 million. What does this mean? It means that the only number that falls in the million category that is full, the whole number, is 7. The other number falls in the other category. And if you remember correctly, when we are writing our place values, we have our ones, then thousands, then millions. So if 7 is in millions, the 8 in 0.8 will fall in where? Yes, thousands. That means the value at which Isaac has bought his car would then be 7 million. Now 8, of course, will be followed by what? 2 zeros. So we have 800,000. Since there's no other number to work with, we fill up the remaining 3 spaces for the ones with 0. Let me take that again so you get it right. You first write the value that is a whole number in the million category as we have done. Then the next value that comes after the decimal place. After that decimal point, you write that number first and fill the remaining with zeros. Remember that they are grouped in 3. So since we have just one digit here, we write 8, then 0, 0. And then the next place, which is the ones, is supposed to be filled with 3 digits. In this place, 0, 0, and 0. Giving us the value of his car to be 7,800,000 naira. If we are to write this in words, we then go on to say, Isaac bought his car a car for, now the amount, 7 million 800,000 naira. And that is it. Two statements, one in short form and one with the full digits written in words. Thank you.